Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, first thing you will need to do is turn off your device by holding the power button. Ignore the cilia, and eventually you should get your boot options right here, so select power off. And this will obviously turn off the device. From there, we're going to hold, I believe it's power button and volume up. So let's first try that. Power, volume up. And we will let go of the power button when the device starts to actually give us any kind of life. So there we go. HUAWEI, let go of the power button. And there we go. Here's our recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options like clear data, which consists of wipe cache partition and factory reset. Then we have update mode, safe mode, and restart. So these are all the things that you can utilize in here. Now, as you can see, you can just actually tap on it. I'm mentioning that because typically you need to use volume buttons and power button, but here you can, but you don't have to. Anyway, I'm going to select restart. And this will bring me back to the HarmonyOS, I think it's called. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.